Before you create a straight swath, first verify you have the correct grower, farm, and field selected. From the home screen, go to Performance and Profile Setup. Here you can select the correct grower, farm, and field. The swath that you create will be saved to the field. Once you have selected this, return to your home screen. Next, access the Run screen that has your auto guidance set up on it by going to Run and then selecting the correct Run screen. Verify in Type that you have Swath Type selected as straight. Then, under Swath 1 Recorder, tap in the box and choose New to create a new swath. Position your vehicle within the field where you want to mark your A point. Once you have positioned your vehicle, tap on Mark A. Next, drive to the location within your field where you want to mark your B point for your guidance line. When you reach the location to mark your B point, tap on Mark B. A straight AB line has now been created between your A point and your B point.